Have you ever dreamed of hiking crystal clear mountain trails to a hidden paradise where Thunder Sound Waterfall roars down cliffs, endless stone stairs climb to Zhufeng Peak, and sunsets paint Laoshan Mountain in gold? This is Beijuishui, Qingdao's most stunning natural escape. Today, we explore Beijuishui Scenic Area, nestled in the heart of Laoshan Mountain in Qingdao, Shandong Province, and it is one of China's top 5A national parks. We'll hike the iconic trails beside the turquoise Beijuishui River, chase the famous Chaoyin waterfall, the crown jewel of Beijuishui. We'll climb the legendary endless steep stone stairs that are carved into the mountainside, ascending to Zhufeng Peak. That's Laoshan's main summit at 1,132 meters. Then descend through the blooming wildflowers as the sun sets over General Peak and Phoenix Peak, wrapping everything in dreamy golden light. Every step here is pure, untouched nature, and we're taking you along for every moment. Beijuishui is in Laoshan District, Qingdao City, Shandong Province, China, about 30 kilometers from downtown Qingdao in the northern Laoshan mountain range. It's part of the Beijuishui River upper reaches, divided into Outer Beijuishui and Inner Beijuishui, the most scenic section. It is a national 5A level scenic area and natural oxygen bar with 42,000 negative oxygen ions per cubic centimeter, 20 times the national standard. It has a famous waterfall, Chaoyin Waterfall, Thunder Sound Waterfall, Beijuishui's most iconic landmark, one of Laoshan's 12 scenic wonders, Rock Waterfall and Tide Sound. It is fed by Tianyi Spring, Laoshan's highest spring at 1,100 meters altitude on Zhufeng Peak. It drops 20 meters in 3 cascades. Its roar sounds like crashing ocean waves, hence the name. There are famous peaks. Zhufeng Peak, Laoshan's main summit at 1,132 meters, Beijuishui's highest point, offers 360-degree panoramic views of mountains and the Yellow Sea. There's General Peak, a striking rock formation resembling an ancient general in armor standing guard over the valley. Dingsing Peak, Meditating Monk Peak, a peak shaped like a monk in deep meditation east of the reservoir. Phoenix Peak and Cloud Slicing Peak are scenic stone formations along the hiking trail with dramatic sunset views. The endless stairs, carved by local villagers decades ago, hundreds of continuous steep steps with no flat rest, climbing 800 meters to Zhufeng Peak. Known locally as Stairs to the Sky, a challenging but rewarding climb for epic summit views. If you have the opportunity to come to Qingdao, this is something you wouldn't want to miss.